Thank you for choosing the Dannmar DT-50 tire changer. In this overview video, we will show you the proper method of unboxing your new tire changer. The first step is to remove the crate from the pallet. To do this, use a pry bar or flathead screwdriver and hammer to bend the metal tabs along the bottom of the crate to a straight position. Once all tabs are straightened, the crate can be lifted over the tire changer and moved out of the way. Next, carefully remove the plastic wrap around the machine, allowing you to remove the bead breaker assembly and tire inflation control assembly. These can be set aside for the setup process. Now, remove the strap securing the tower to the tire changer. With the strap removed, unbolt the 4 tower bolts and washers from the base of the tire changer. Keep these readily available to mount the tower during setup. The fourth step is to remove the bolts securing the tire changer to the pallet. Next, we recommend placing a pallet jack under the pallet so the tower assembly can be easily moved, separately from the tire changer once the changer is off the pallet. Using a forklift, shop crane, or other lifting device, you may now lift the tire changer off the pallet. With the changer supported, the pallet and tower assembly can be moved and set aside for the setup. Now the tire changer can be positioned and set down. Congratulations! You're now ready to set up your new tire changer. Refer to your owner's manual or our setup video for complete instructions. You can find a downloadable manual at www.dannmar.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.